What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to 31 Days of Blend, and this is day 15. We are almost halfway through our 31 Days of Blend, and I'm really, really excited. And I'm equally just as excited for this blend. Now, I got a challenge. A subscriber requested that we blend all the previous blends on my channel, and I was like, yes, I am in for this challenge. So, today we are going to be blending 23 already blended blends. Are you guys ready for this? Because when I saw this blend, I was like, goodness gracious, how will I do this? And let me just warn you beforehand, my hand literally dropped during this whole blend. I was in so much pain. My hand was hurting, like every part of my body was hurting because it was huge. And the crazy thing is that I even had to like section each blend into two just so that it is not too much for me to handle. Now these are all the colors. Jesus Christ. Like while I was, and the thing with this blend is that they're already pre-stretched. So I think it was a lot harder because it was just tangling a whole lot. It was too much for my hands. I was struggling. Like at some point, I just had to like go off camera just so that I could brush it out well. And I didn't even do a good job like that during the old brushing thing. You can see how it is tangling, but I really was looking forward to how it would turn out. I could not blend so much because I was in so much pain, so I just decided that I just want at least all the colors to be well combined to the point where I can get it combined. I just wanted the colors to like be in each other, maybe not as blended as I would do for like the normal blends. But you guys just keep watching. I'm very sure you will enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section what you want me to do to this blend, because I really want to do something with it after I'm done blending as it is right now. And also let me know in the comment section if you think I passed this challenge. Whoever requested for this, I'm going to come to your house in the night. You were going to see me in your house because this was a struggle. I packed all the extensions, not all, because there are some that I've already braided with. I packed all the extensions that I had with me that I'd already blended here on my channel already. I actually do have a playlist dedicated to blend, so you can just go check them out. You will see all these colors there already. Trust me, they are beautiful. You will find out the colors that I combined to get each of these colors. So yeah, I just went ahead to pack all of them, and then I was like, you know what, I'm going to do this. When I first saw the request, I was really scared. I was like, ugh. But then we don't back down on any challenge in here. So if you have more challenges for me, let me know in the comment section, drop them, and I'll be sure to do them for you. So yeah, we are just going to continue blending. I was in so much pain at this point, but I was really looking forward to how it was going to turn out. This thing was tangling, and trust me, when you are blending, you want to make sure that your blends or your extensions rather are not tangling, because that is going to frustrate you. I was really frustrated. Like the chunk of extension that fell out of this blending was crazy. It was ridiculous. Like I was pulling it off. At some point I was like, you know what, I'm not detangling anything again, I'm just going to cut it off. So I was just cutting it. I don't think I showed that part because it's really ugly, but I'm just letting you guys know how it went. So if you want to do this, I would recommend that you do it little by little. But for me, it will not be a challenge if I just do it little by little. I really wanted to see how much extensions I can put into one and then just blend all together. So yeah, if this is something that you are enjoying, if you are loving this, do like the video, subscribe. It really does help the channel. Share to other people so other beautiful people like you can see the blends, can see my videos. And then yeah, that's it. Drop beautiful comments in the comment section as well. Like the video, share, subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I don't know why I feel like everybody on YouTube knows me. I literally always start my videos thinking everyone knows me and I don't introduce myself. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Toby. I really appreciate you clicking on this video to watch. I love you so much. I just hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and to say thank you to my amazing subscribers, I decided to create content that they love the most on my channel, which is my color blend videos. So I dedicated 31 days of my life, or rather I am dedicating 31 days of my life to creating those content for them. And this is day 15, so we still have a really long way to go. We've come a long way because we are almost in the middle. Yeah, I can say 15 is the middle because yeah, I can. So yeah, we are really come a long way. I've already uploaded 14 videos. This is the 15th one for this 31 days of blend. All these blends and the previous ones before the 31 days of blend are in my playlist, my color blend playlist, so you can just go check them out. I'm very sure you'll love them. And yeah, just join the family. We always have a good time in here. I post color blend videos, I post hair tutorials, I post this and that here and there. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I am just going to continue blending, you guys. This was a struggle. I think I have said this like 100 times. I am literally reliving the experience, like what I went through during this whole blending thingy. It was a lot for me. Like at some point I was like, will I just back down and pretend that I did not see this request? But no, I cannot do that. I cannot do that to you guys, and I cannot even do that to myself. I mean, you guys have been watching my videos from day one. If this is what you guys want, I'm definitely going to give it to you guys. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, this is how much blending I could do. At this point I was losing my mind. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to brush this thing out. You can see that I keep like juggling the extension. That is because it is really heavy. Sometimes I need to like put my hands down just so that I can feel better. At this point, I just put it on the wall. I was like, So I just brushed it out. Jesus Christ. I just brushed it out. I'm Yoruba and I'm from Nigeria. So yeah, please pardon my age factor. So this is what it looks like. I love it so much. It just looks beautiful, even looks more beautiful than I thought that I would. I don't think I'm going to blend it more than this. I am done at this point. This is what it looks like. It is really beautiful. I'm also going to oh, I'm not going to braid with it because I'm thinking of actually braiding it on my hair. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see what it looks like braided on my head. So I'm just going to make a braid with this blend for you guys and then show you what it looks like. And that is the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.